Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have something truly special for you. Introducing the Timisea Wall Mount Kindling Splitter, which has firmly established itself as the best option for anyone who needs to split wood efficiently, whether indoors or outdoors. If you're the kind of person who enjoys cozying up by the fire, you know how important it is to have perfectly sized kindling. This product is designed to make that process easy, convenient, and safe. So, let's dive into the details and see how it can transform your wood splitting task. First things first, the wall-mounted design of this kindling splitter is a game changer. It allows you to save space while still having your tool readily available, perfect for your shed, garage, or even the side of your house. When you're not using it, you can simply leave it idle on the wall, out of the way but always within reach when the colder months roll in. Now, let's talk about materials. The Timisea splitter is crafted from high-quality carbon steel. This ensures that it not only withstands the test of time but also provides a smooth surface that resists high temperatures and deformation. The sharp blade is specifically designed to cut through softwoods with ease, making it effective for creating kindling for your fireplaces, outdoor fire pits, or camping trips. As you can see, splitting firewood doesn't have to be a strenuous task. With this splitter, even those who may struggle with traditional axes can make kindling without breaking a sweat. However, it's worth noting that for safety reasons, the blade comes in sharpened. It's recommended to use a whetstone before your first use to ensure that you can tackle your wood-cutting tasks with the precision and ease that this tool promises. In addition to its functionality, this product is also incredibly versatile. You can use it in various locations, be it your garden, backyard, or when you're out camping with friends and family. Having the ability to prepare firewood on the go adds a layer of convenience that will surely enhance your outdoor experience. As winter approaches, the importance of having enough firewood prepared cannot be overstated. The Timisea Wall Mount Kindling Splitter enables you to create the perfect size kindling for your fireplaces easily, ensuring you're all set for those chilly evenings spent indoors, wrapped up in your favorite blanket with a warm beverage in hand. And if you ever run into any issues or have questions about the product, Timisea is dedicated to customer satisfaction. They promise quality service and a reliable solution within 24 hours should you face any dissatisfaction. This kind of commitment to their customers adds to the overall trust in their brand. So, there you have it. The Timisea Wall Mount Kindling Splitter is not just a tool. It's an essential companion for anyone wanting to prepare firewood efficiently and safely. Its space-saving design, high-quality materials, and versatility make it the best choice for wood-splitting tasks. If you're looking for a way to enhance your winter experience, consider giving this splitter a try. Thanks for watching this episode of Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews. Until next time, stay warm and enjoy the fire.